Hey glam dolls, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today we're doing just a get ready with me chit chat. I'm gonna do a super easy look because I just have a couple errands to do and then it's hot outside, so I'm not trying to do too much, and I am wanting to record probably like 3 videos today. So yes, and this is perfect because my face, as always, when I want to record, it's acting up. We went to Laguna Beach this past weekend and my face is like peeling and being super red and crazy, and yeah, it's just a mess. So we're just gonna do my normal routine, and I'm just gonna chit chat with you guys. Of course, I'll go ahead and leave the products down below, and let's just get right into this. So yeah, I just wanted to sit down and chit chat with you guys and just update you guys on a few things. And I really want your guys' opinion on just like what type of videos you guys would like, because I have a few in mind. Oh, I meant to grab, I have like them all written down, but I have like, you know, I want to cut my hair, and so I do that at home because I don't trust nobody except for one person. And so, you know, I thought that would be a good idea because maybe there's people that, you know, feel the same way. They like, when I was younger, my hair was pretty much down to my butt, and then I was going to cut it and I wanted it pretty short. I wanted it to like my shoulder, like past my shoulders, like between my shoulders and my elbow. And this guy cut my hair to my shoulders, and like it was the worst experience ever. And so now I don't, like, ever since then I didn't really trust anybody to get my hair cut. Sorry my hair is so crazy. It's just after the shower, quick tip, I don't brush my hair right after the shower when my hair is still wet, because they say that it like pulls at your hair and it just rips it. And honestly, since I've started doing that, my hair has gotten so much longer, so because it doesn't break. So yeah, I could do like hair tips. I want to dye my hair, so I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my hair is fading. It started out as red and it's just going to pink and like all these crazy colors. So I wanted to dye my hair again, so I wanted to do like a video of that. So yeah, we're just doing a light, simple look. Just like, even though I'm breaking out and stuff, I'm still not gonna wear foundation today, and we're just gonna do spot conceal, and it's super easy. Let me know if you guys want like a eyebrow video. I have more challenges coming. I have a challenge with my son that we're gonna be doing soon. Yeah, today we're just going, and I have some errands to do. I need to go finish registering my son in school. I know school starts like next week or in 2 weeks, and I don't even have him registered. So I registered him online. I never got paperwork. So I've been calling and calling, and his prior school told me to just go online, and when you know, fill out all the paperwork, it'll automatically send the paperwork to like transfer his elementary stuff to his middle school. And so I filled it all out, and then I didn't receive anything from the school, his middle school, and I'm like, what the heck? Like, so of course they're closed because it's summer and they don't open until like a week or 2 before school. And then I have a job, so you know, I can, and they're only open during like certain hours, and of course it's like hours that I have appointments at my job. So it's just been crazy. And so today, anyways, I have to go down to bring that. And then me and my husband, I finally changed my last name, and so that's different for the school too. And so I have to bring my marriage license, and it's just so crazy. I don't even want to go down there today, honestly, but that's what we gotta do. So yeah, and then I did grocery shopping online. So I went to Smith's, which is like a grocery store, and I ordered all my groceries online. And what I also do is, I need to stop talking so much. Well, it is a chit chat. Get ready with me. So next we're just gonna like spot conceal, and I kind of have a lot of spots to conceal. So I ordered groceries online, and then we get to just pick them up in a couple hours. So that saves me so much time, and I love it. I love that I can do that because that saves me so much time, because today I want to record like 3 videos. So like, to make grocery shopping easier, and so I don't waste food, because I hate wasting food. I hate it so much. I plan out our dinners for the week, and then I make a grocery list based off of those dinners, and then I do like, of course, snacks and like lunches and stuff like that too. Today I actually ordered, every once in a while when I'm busy and I have like a super busy day, I just order my groceries online. Like, it's just so much easier. I told you I ended up spot concealing like my whole freaking face because it's been crazy. Let's bring it up a little bit because it's a little red. I feel like you can't really tell on camera. I'm gonna conceal my nose a little bit because it's really red. Oh yeah, that's pretty much what I have planned today. Yeah, I go back to work tomorrow. Oh, this weekend we have to go school shopping for my son. We still haven't gone for clothes. I'm done with his school supplies, but we haven't gone for his clothes. I just feel like he grows so fast. I just wanted to wait till last minute. Like, he's just growing so fast. Like, his hands are like as big as mine. His feet are pretty much bigger than mine. And it's just crazy. Like, it makes me emotional. Like, stop. Because like how fast they grow so fast, and it's just not fair. Why am I getting emotional? What the heck? It's just, I love him so much. Like, he's just the best. Kids are amazing. We're just gonna go like that. And they're so funny, and he's going into middle school. Like, that is crazy. Oh, let me know if you guys want like my birth story. I kind of take the powder and go over the acne too, so I can kind of like set it. Then I can do, so we'll do mascara next. I'm gonna give this Ulta Beauty mascara another chance. I can't really remember what I felt about it. Yeah, just different video ideas. I feel like I have so many, but then I don't know. Like, it's hard to get discouraged with videos. Like, if one video did better than another, or like you posted a video like a week ago and it still doesn't have that many views, but then you have to realize like people have lives. I want to do it all. DIYs, I love DIYs. I try to go to the gym. I would do gym videos, and like I was gonna do like roadway to vegan video. This mascara is pretty good. I was gonna do roadway to vegan like as a series. I don't know, because my video for my food, I'll link it above, but that video didn't do that well, and it still hasn't done that well. So I don't know if I really want to do another video, because there's a lot of people that don't like Brussels sprouts or mushrooms. So that's probably like a really bad first food video to record, because like, but that was my first like vegan meal, or octo-lacto vegan meal that I ever made. So that's why I wanted to do that one, because I thought it was super good, super easy. You still get a lot of protein, but I don't know. Alright, like my face doesn't look that great, but for being like, look, like I'm still peeling. What It's so disgusting. Like, I'm still feeling. That's why I didn't want to really wear any makeup today. But still, like, I went from my face, my nose is so red still, but whatever. So next we're gonna go in with bronzer. Yeah, so the video, like the food, I just feel like it didn't do that well for me to do them again, unless that was just like a bad food choice to choose. I'm not really trying to do too much on contouring. I'm just trying to do like just a little bit. Even though it's like flaking and it's so gross. And then we have to go on with blush. I don't know why I'm looking around when my brushes. Oops, my brushes are all right here. Oops, oops. So next we're gonna do blush, and we're just gonna go in with the NARS blush. So yeah, I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you want to see, because I literally don't know. Like, I have so many video ideas, but I don't know. Maybe I should just post those. Highlight, of course. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. highlight, just like with a fluffier brush. Next, we're gonna go on with the Pixi by Petra. I love Pixi by Petra. I'm sorry, you guys. I have been like really looking in the mirror, not really looking at you guys. I'm sorry. And then I go in with the thinner, with a smaller highlight brush. And today we're gonna be more pink. And this one, it just like, it's so good because it just like hits the top. My poor nose. And then next we're just gonna go in with this lip infused lip oil from Ulta. Realistically, you probably don't need that much, but that's just what I like. And I like to go in with this and just pounce it. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I know it's not the best, but it's just a nice and simple look. So this was my hair, like, so you see how like it's just so like easy to go through. My hair dries really, if I just leave it alone, it dries so straight, and I hate it because I've always wanted curly hair. But you see how it's just so easy to go through now, and like it, like, I don't know, I don't really use a brush that often. I mostly use my fingers, or like, I don't know, I don't really use a brush too often. I feel like it broke my hair a lot. My hair needs a trim right now, which is why I want to do a video on that. So I think I might just record it anyways and just put it on. But yes, let me know what you guys thought about this video. I know it was like kind of like a weird little chit chat video, but let me know what you guys thought about it down below. And of course, I'll go ahead and link all the products down below and all my social medias, and I always link down the music I use down below also. So yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be part of our glam squad, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.